natin tong camera to. Turuan nyo nga ako kung paano kausapin ang camera. Ayan na naman tayo. Naguguluhan ako dito sa camera. Hindi ko alam kung titingin ako sa lens. Dito yung lens right here. Or dito sa or dito sa lens. Or dito sa screen. Bongga. Gusto ko yung camera na to. Ang ganda. Sige nga, turuan nyo nga ako kung paano mag-usap sa harap ng camera. Mag-practice tayo. So, this morning, my dentist called me for my next appointment on Thursday. What time is it? I forgot. I think 10 o'clock or 10:30, but I don't remember. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito ng yung postisong ipin. Kasi wala na akong ipin sa loob. So, ayun, magkakaroon ako postito. I think, tawag dito. No, 4 here on the bottom, and then 3 fake teeth on the top. Because I don't have teeth anymore on my inside. Like, the molar, where's the molar at? And then next to the molar, I think I'm losing like 9 teeth already. Not sure. Because I do not have here. Only I have a front. And then at the top, front too. So I don't have teeth anymore inside. So yay! I'm so excited. I'm having my teeth on Thursday. So that's why I want to fix my teeth, because I'm sorry. This is my real this is reality. I don't have teeth right here, so that one is gonna fix that one missing. So yay! And then this one, those are fake already. Those no, it's not fake. The half of my real teeth, they cut it off, and then they put a half fake teeth to my gums with a metal on it. How do you call that? Root canal. So this one next to the empty teeth, those are root canal already. So yay! I'm so excited. I'm having my fake teeth. I-update ko kayo on Thursday. Baka dalhin ko yung camera and then mag-take ako ng a little bit video for my dental journey thingy for my fake teeth. Naguguluhan pa rin ako. Ano ba yan? Saan ba ako titingin? Sa screen? Dito yung screen niya, ha? Yung screen niya, dito sa side. Tapos, palagi ako nakatingin sa screen. And then, it should be, I'm supposed to be look on the screen right here. Not on my, I'm supposed to be look on my lens right here. The lens is right here. And then, my screen is this side. So I always forget. I always look on my screen because I want to see myself. Funny, silly me. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm a mermaid. Mermaid. Uy, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng camera na to. Ang lakas niya makaganda. Ang lakas niya makaganda. Waiting to get tired. I'm gonna get ready to sleep. Hello. What time is it? It's Monday here in America and 12:03 midnight. Wow, I'm not still sleepy. Ooh, this is cute. Love my phone case thingy, pineapple thingy. We'll see if my phone is gonna focus it. Oh yeah, it does focus. I love it. Never play with my camera like using baby and stuff. See, let's try it. It's focused on my face. When I put my phone close to the screen, we'll see if like my camera gonna do a nice job. It does focus. You see, mine is blurry, mine is like fuzzy, and then in my phone case is like really nice, and you call it really nice, and you can see the details. Oh my god, I love it. So now it's gonna focus on my face. Wow, ang lakas fresh ng kamerang to, oh. Walang makeup yan, kaliligo ko lang. Hello. Ayan na naman ako, hindi talaga ako. Bakit pa gusto ko tumingin sa lens? Bakit pa gusto kong tumingin sa screen? Dapat dito sa lens. Hi. Tingnan natin kung mag-focus yung kung mag-focus yung camera. See? Let me show you. See? Is it focus or not? So, anyways, oh yes, there you go. Sorry sa tawag dito, pangit kong kamay. Pero ngayon, nag-paint ako ng nails ko. Ako lang nag-paint yan. Oh, cute! Gusto ko white. Mahal kasi mag-ano dito, magpa manicure, pedicure. Yung gusto mo, halimbawa, fake nails with the design, like $75. I'm not sure how much is in the Philippines. $75. Oh, that's too expensive. Me and my friend tried to go. That was my first time to go to salon and do my nails. So me and my friend go to do you call that? Salon, whatever salon, I don't forget the name of the salon. So we went there, and my friend got those fake nails with the design on it. So she paid, I'm pretty sure, $75, and mine, I got mine like just like do you call that? Plain, no design, nothing. So I paid for my nails $35. So I just try it once, and I don't want to go back because it's too expensive, but I can do my nails by my own, so I'm fine. Yay! At saka masakit yung fake nails. Masakit sa kamay. Habang humahaba yung kamay mo, pag yung fake nails, tapos humahaba na yung kamay mo, masakit na siya. Masakit na siya pag humahaba. Kaya at least na-try ko siya one time sa no, I'm good. I would never to do like just paint my real nails, and I'm good. Hi. Ang lakas naman talaga mapagaganda ng camera na to. Ang ganda. Hindi pa kasi ako na inaantok eh. Naantay ko lang na antokin ako at saka matutulog na ako. I'm ready to sleep. Well, see, di ako makanipala ang mahal. Teka, hindi ko alam. Hanggang hindi ko palang Google natin kung magkano yung $75 sa Pilipinas na pera. Kasi hanggang ngayon, oh, see, 75 Philippine peso. Tingnan mo dito kung ano ka ng nails, kamay lang yun ha, hindi pa kasama yung paa. Pag gusto mo yung may design, 4,014 mahigit 4,000. Kamay lang yun ha. Magpa-paint lang yun ng kamay. Ang mahal. Try natin yung 35. I paid my nails $35. So we'll see how much is that in the Philippines. 35. I'm terrible. ko pa kasi alam. Oh, mali yung tinay po. Sorry. Ooh, hi. It's gonna be weak. Hold on. I'll do like searches and really quick. So, I paid for my nails, yung kamay lang ha, sa salon, 670 and 98 cents. That's, oh, Mexican peso. Hold on, I type it wrong. In pesos, those are, oh, so I paid for my nails. It's terrible, type it wrong again. I'm sorry. Hold on. It's gonna be quick. My phone is slow. Okay, got it. So, tingnan mo, biruin mo. Yung kuko lang, magpa-pedicure, magpa-manicure, manicure dito. Yung kuko lang, 35, dito ha, $35 here. But in the Philippines, it's, yung $35 is 1,873 and 4 cents. Ang mahal! Tingnan natin kung ayan. Tingnan natin kung, why is it like, is it lens or something weird? Ayan o. Hindi ko makita baligtad. Anyways, ang mahal. Grabe. Mahal, di ba? Kahit na nga yung, halimbawa, punta ka din sa salon, to do your hair. Ay, grabe. Mahal talaga dito. Mahal. Ginto ang presyo. Pero at least na-try ko one time punta ng salon, magpa-nails, magpa-manicure. At least alam ko na, at kaya ko naman gawin siya. O, tingnan mo, cute nga eh. Cute. What time is it? It's 12:11. I'm not yet tired. So, what we're gonna do, guys? I don't know. Anong gagawin natin? Magkwentuhan na lang tayo hanggang sa mapagod ako. Ano bang kwentuhan natin? Ha? Ang ganda talaga ng camera na ito. Ngayon, alam ko na kung paano mag-videos sa camera nito. Wala akong wala akong light, wala akong ilaw. Yung ilaw lang sa bubong. Yun lang, natural, yung parang color dim lights. Dito sa bedroom, kaya yun lang ang gamit ko. Pero ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Oh my God, I spilled water on my... I spilled water on the bed. Jeez, now the bed is wet. Spill water. Anyways, it's gonna be dry quick. So, hi. Ayun naman tayo. Hindi ako masanay ng tumingin sa lens. Sa lens. Ano nga natin yung lens? Ayan yung lens. And then, palagi tumitingin sa buti na lang hindi nabasa yung phone ko. So, today is 12:13 in... Oh. Alas 12 na ng gabi dito. Come on, camera. Okay, focus. There you go. Alas 12 na ng... Focus. So, alas 12 na ng gabi dito. Hindi pa ako inaantok eh. Kaya, kwento-kwentuhan muna tayo. Lapit nga sa camera. Oh my God. Alam nyo, kung gusto nyo bumili ng camera, subukan nyo itong katulad ng camera kung ginagamit. Ang ganda-ganda. Look, shiny. Ang lakas mukha po. Ganda. Jack. Ang kapal ng mukha. Sana Thursday na para makita ko kung ano tsura ng fake ipin ko. Para matry ko na siya at mailagay na dito. Tingnan natin kung anong feeling ng merong postiso. Ooh. Oh, by the way, alam mo ba yung postiso? How many teeth I'm having? Yung fake teeth lang yun na ang pansamantalang inano ko, yung tawag dito, yung fake teeth na pwede mo siyang tanggalin, pwede mo siyang ikabit. So, I'm having 4 and then 3 on my top. So, ay grabe, mahal din yung dentist dito. I paid for my like 7 teeth, fake teeth, like 922 something cent. I don't remember the exact, but it's like $922 for 7 fake teeth. That's expensive. We'll see. I don't know how much is that. Let's Google it. How much in Philippines? How much is it? How much is it? 922. Let's see, $922. Because I don't know how the exact cents. But I'm pretty sure it's $922. Well, search. There you go. Oh my god, yung postizo, yung 7 fake teeth. Yung tawag dito. Come on, camera, focus. There you go. Tawag dito, I paid for my fake teeth $922 in Philippine money. It's 49 and 308 and 56 cents in the Philippines. It's almost 50,000 for just fake teeth. Biruun mo yun. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna update you. I'm gonna update you on Thursday. I'm gonna try to take a videos going to the dentist, and then the teeth that they made, the teeth that they make for me. Okay, I'm gonna update you, and I will see you on Thursday. Okay. Expensive, huh? Almost 50,000 in the Philippines. Just I don't know how to call it here. I forgot. Always forgot. So, yung tawag sa atin sa Pilipinas, yung peking ipin na pwede mong ikabit, pwede mong tanggalin, postizo. No. Yeah, sa Pilipinas, postizo yung tawag sa atin, pero hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito sa akin sa Amerika. Comment down below kung anong tawag dito, yung fake teeth. I know the implant, because they have 2 different fake teeth though. The implant, I'm pretty sure the implant they're gonna put in your gums. They're gonna like attach with the metal on it, and they're gonna put it in your gums. That's implant. But I don't remember the other name of the fake teeth that you can put it in and put it out. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna Google it. Kind of lazy. But anyways, yeah. I love this. Ang ganda naman ng camera na to. By the way, ang camera ko pala, I'm using a Lumix G7. I got it on sale last year, I'm pretty sure, for like Black Friday deal. So I got it like cheap, like 400 something, with a bag and and everything, with accessories like a mini tripod, bag, lens cleaner, and everything, like accessories kit for the camera. So